Alam.
Hiyo watu wasimame hapo.
Viva Viva! Tutashinda! The people shall! We shall talk about our freedoms, our country and our land. We want freedom, justice, and we are demanding. We are tired of oppression, injustice, police killing in our country. We are tired. Kenya unite. Poor people of Kenya. Workers of Africa unite. Unite for revolution. Unite. This evil system. Are you ready? Don't ever out for this country that about you. Are you ready? Are you ready for revolution? Are you ready?
Julius.
Hatutanyamaza. Kelele zitatukomboa. Revolution is now. Yes, everyone tunafinywa sana wa Kenya. Kupiga revolution is now. We are men. Yes, everyone can new Kenya. We are fighting for a new Kenya. And we will not be intimidated. We will keep fighting for a new country. For so long, we have been in oppression, injustice, crime and poverty in our country. We refuse. We want to set the country. We want to succeed. We want freedom and we cannot beg it. You cannot beg for freedom. Freedom is a God-given right. We want to have our
He's addressing the media.
I'll never keep saying. Me, watch it. Sitakubali. Ati tukitoka hapa tunaenda kusikia mtu ameua hapo police station. Tukienda mtu ameua na polisi. Tukienda tena you have no business holding any position.
What is your name?
This country you don't have. Politicians are liars and murderers. And they have stolen our freedom.
Now, should I adjourn?
They have stolen our future. They have stolen everything. My people have got nothing left.
So I will adjourn until there is order in court. I will adjourn.
It's wrong.
Until there is order. Michael Omwambale.
I'll see that you listen to me.
Aya, Omwambale, Crispin Nyamakala, na Lewis Waweru.
Now it's going to change.
Now,
if we don't work for change,
Lewis Waweru. Aya, escort these three and the witnesses, we have them in chambers. I will only handle this matter when there is order in court. So tutasikiza wale wengine wamekuwa kingoja tangu asubuhi mpaka kukuwe na utaratibu kotini. So I will hear the three, let them be escorted and hear them in chambers. So kwa pamoja, anyone who doesn't understand English, kuna mtu aelewe Kiingereza? So that being the case, Julius Kamau, Elisha Ochieng, Collins Otieno, Emmanuel Yagon, Dixon Moria, Brian Mwenda, Alphonse Opio, Michael Ngige, Emmanuel Mushui, and Joshua Okayo, you are jointly charged with the offense of willfully obstructing the free passage of members of public in the streets. The particulars are that on the 21st day of April 2026, which is yesterday, at Archives area along Moi Avenue within Nairobi CBD, you willfully obstructed the free passage of members of public by gathering in crowds and therefore occasioning inconvenience to members of public and road users. So are the charges true or not true, Julius Kamau? Elisha Ochieng?
Not true.
Collins Otieno? Emmanuel Yagon? Dickson Moria, Brian Mwenda, Alphonse Opio, Michael Ngige,
Not true.
Emmanuel Mushui,
Not true.
Joshua Okayo.
Not true.
Minutes. Yes.
My lady, as mentioned earlier, our two interjections as counsels for the accused persons, we wish to raise the note that the charge sheet in itself has two minor defects. The first is that two minors were included in the charge sheet, and the second is that on the complainant and address part of the charge sheet, there is no specification as to the complainant in itself. The ODPP cannot in itself be the complainant on itself, but they have the mandate to proceed to bring this matter as their mandate under the Constitution. That notwithstanding, we wish to also bring to the court's attention that noting the charge is a misdemeanor, we do pray that the court can consider the accused persons be released on free bond, noting that they are well-known HRDs, and majority of them, their well-known place of abode is known. To that effect, we do pray that the prosecution can be able to grant us some leeway as to whether they do intend to amend the charge sheet, and also whether they will be amenable to us just recording, maybe registering their contact details.
Recording what?
Just their contact details in reference to the free bond.
Yes.
To add on it, one of the offenders
Your name?
my name is Ogola. One of the offenders are public nuisance, and we believe we are to proceed on trial, Your Honor. Nuisance is based on
Sorry?
nuisance
Yes.
is based on objective observation rather than a personal testimony. So there's no specific person who can come to court and tell the court that this happened. That's all.
Yes.
There's no evidence to establish that accused number 7 and 8 are minors. No proof has been provided. And that's why you submit that they should be taken for age assessment, for proof of their age before taking plea. Being included in the charge sheet has not prejudiced them, since they have not been taken plea. defendant wish also to submit that in criminal cases, the complainant is the state and the DPP represents the state. The rest will be witnesses whom we intend to call at the right time when the matter will be shown for hearing. Although the matter is a misdemeanor, we oppose the accused persons being released on free bond. It's not automatic that if the charges are a misdemeanor, accused persons should be given a free bond. There's no reasons given. Their place of abode is not even established. But you're not objecting to them being released on a reasonable bond or cash bail.
Now, the 7th and 8th offenders shall be escorted for age assessment by the OCS Central Police Station. Each of the accused person shall be awarded a cash bail of 3,000. The issue of proving the kind of offense shall be raised during trial, as this forms part of the evidence to be tendered in court. We shall have a mentioned date for pre-trial and supply of witness statements and all documentary evidence by the prosecution to the defense. On the 7th of May.
Already that date is going to be convenient on my part. I do request.
Just a minute.
If the court obliges, we do have the cash bail as 2,000, as considering that these are HRDs. And the Law Society is of the opinion and rather willing to raise that bail.
Now, the cash bail set, I find it to be reasonable. That is in relation to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 9th, 10th, 11th to 13th accused persons. The 7th and 8th shall be brought in tomorrow to confirm their age assessment. So we'll mention tomorrow for 7th and 8th.
Most obliged. And the issue for the 2 minors, considering that they were placed in Central, there is no holding for minors at Central Police Station. In that effect, I do believe if the OCS, the age verification can happen this afternoon, they can easily be released to their family members.
Considering the logistics council, what is the time? It's around noon. Yes, so logistics of having them back to the station, taken to a medical facility, you don't know whether the doctor is in or not, confirm the age, have the report brought back to court, it's not practical. So they be escorted by the OCS. We shall mention tomorrow to confirm their age. If the family members are there to bring birth certificates or any document to prove their age, then well and good. We can have it mentioned immediately.
Maybe then perhaps we can just have the file placed aside. I can try.
Place aside, the court assistant will let me know.
Okay, no surprise.
And kindly counsel, advise your clients accordingly. Let us just respect the courts. We don't have to make noise to be heard.
I've been very
We are heard even by being silent.
Yes.
Thank you.
No surprise.
Tumekataa kupiga magoti mbele ya hawa waua